how to solve 3 to the power x is equal to 12. What is the value of x? Now log 3 to the power x is equal to log 3
log of 3 times 4
log of 3 times 4. Log x log 3 is equal to log 3 plus log 4 divided by log 3 divided by log 3. Log 3 will be cancelled. X is equal to log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 4 divided by log 3. Log 3 will cancel. X is equal to 1 plus log 4 divided by log 3.
log 4 base of 3 operator
X is equal to 1 plus log 4 base of 3. This is the value of x.
So this is our final answer.
This is our final answer.
How to solve a to the power 196 plus a to the power 196 is equal to what? At first we take common. A to the power 96, first bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now a to the power 196 is same as 2 to the power 3 bracket for 196 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Then 2 to the power 3 times 196, that means 588 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 588 plus 1, that means 589. So 2 to the power 589 is the correct answer.